Doodly versus Videoscribe. Which one is better for your whiteboard animations? Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I will be comparing Doodly with Videoscribe and we'll figure out which one of these is better for your whiteboard animation, for your YouTube channel, or any other channel you work on. So let's get into it. Up first, we actually have Videoscribe. I will show you how to use these platforms, how to get started, and what are the main differences that you will notice in these platforms and which one is better for you. So up first we have Videoscribe. You can go to videoscribe.co and you will land right here. Videoscribe is an easy to use drag and drop animated video maker for beginners and for professionals as well. You will be able to create whiteboard animation videos, GIFs, edit videos, and much more. So you have to first get started. In order to create an account, you can actually create an account for free with your email address. After the initial sign up or sign in to your Videoscribe, you will actually get right here. This is the inside of our dashboard. In Videoscribe, we will be able to create different projects. With each project, we can also select from different templates available. You will be able to find the templates on different birthday and celebration cards. We have social media, reels and stories, so we can add it. We have different GIF templates available as well. So now it totally depends on you what kind of animation video you want to create. Or we can start from the scratch by clicking right here which says create new project. So now we will give our project a name. For instance, we'll call it test. And here we have different sizes available that we can go for. We have size for YouTube or website content. Then we have one for Instagram and Facebook. And then we have stories. So we can even, create whiteboard animations for stories using Videoscribe. So here you can see this is our main, editor where we work on Videoscribe. This is our first scene. We can add more scenes from here. You can see add scene and then we have duplicate scene here. So I'm going to click on add scene and it will add two of the scenes for my footage right here for my video. In video, we can go for text, image, shapes, and audio as well. So it's actually really easy. At the top, we of course have the cut option. We have copy, then we have undo, redo, and then we have drawing hand. So when it comes to a whiteboard animation, we do have this option of adding a drawing hand or adding a pencil like this. So what happens is, for a whiteboard animation, you can see we see hand writing something. That's the kind of animation we are looking for. And then what a hand is holding, if it's holding a pen, a pencil, or a paintbrush, whatever you want to go for. For instance, I'm going to go with this one. Click on confirm default hand. And now what will happen is the hand will be right here. This is the default hand that I have selected. So let's go to our text section here. I'm not going to add a footage here, a video, but we'll go for a simple text. So with Videoscribe, we have these options here. I'm going to add the text. For instance, this text says welcome. So let's actually add that like this. So now it has been added. What I will do is I will place it right here in the middle. So once we do that, once you have added the text, we will get the edit option. In edit, we have different transform options. We have the font size, colors, the different, fonts that we can select. So you will be able to customize the text completely. And then we have animation. Switch to animation. And here you will be able to find a hand draw or hand right here that will actually write it. Again, you will be able to select the hand type. Then we have the duration. So the duration is 1.4 second. I'm going to increase the duration a little bit to, let's say, I'm going to go with 2.4 seconds here. Then again, we have emphasis animation here, duration, type, exit animation. So we can add different animations with Videoscribe to animate our work that we are creating. So if I just play this scene, the first scene that we have, this is what it will look like. So you can see it's a very simple animation. And it's a hand writing welcome. So this is what a whiteboard animation is called. So you can see this is our second scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the scene above. So now this is the first scene and then we have the second one. So in second scene, what I can do is maybe I can go with an image or we can go to shapes. In shapes, we have simple 3 shapes. So Videoscribe is actually, this is the free version of Videoscribe and it's actually really basic and it's giving me the basic tools and features. So you can see this is Videoscribe. Now let's switch to Doodly and check out the different features we are getting in Doodly. So for that, you have to go to doodly.com, which is actually a very famous whiteboard animation software. This is very professional and it creates realistic whiteboard animations. We have a lot of examples here. You will be able to create educational videos, and then we have some of the other videos. For instance, if you want to go for a music video, YouTube video, you will be able to create from Doodly. If we talk about the different features, we will be getting different hands that we can add. And with Doodly, we get these characters too. So you can draw a character with a hand, and you will be able to, of course, add footage, any video or any photo that you want to upload to Doodly. You will be able to use it within your animation. With Doodly, we get the freedom to add any kind of, different elements, stickers, and we can also get the data, and we can integrate our Doodly to our YouTube. It is also really good for teaching and training, for advertising, for creating sales videos, for creating fun and inspiring videos. And then there are a lot of other use cases for Doodly. When it comes to Doodly and Videoscribe, we can actually, for Videoscribe, we can get started for free, and for Doodly, you actually have to buy a plan. So there is a pricing plan for both of these platforms. Let's check out the pricing plan, and we will be able to kind of like difference between them easily. First, we have the pricing plan for Doodly. So for Doodly, we do not have a free version available. We have a standard for $39 per month, and then we have an enterprise for $69 per month. With $39, we will be getting prop images, we have character images, free music track, video templates, fonts, scene templates, unlimited videos we can create, multiple computers, uses are available, and standard support. And then we have enterprise, where we have like more than 3,000 characters, more than 3,000 prop images, 250 royalty free music tracks, and we have 40 video templates, 70 fonts, 84 scene templates, and more. So you choose any of these plans and you will be able to get started with Doodly. Now let's check out the pricing plan for Videoscribe. On Videoscribe, we have a monthly plan for $17.50 per month, and you can buy this one. Then we have an annual plan for $8 per month, and you will be saving 54% over a monthly plan with a 96 recurring payment billed annually. And then there's a teen plans that is custom pricing for a custom feature, but there's also a Videoscribe free if you want to go for that one, but you will get the limited options with these features. When it comes to the main difference between Doodly and Videoscribe is the animation that we produce. With Videoscribe, it's, you can say, a little 2D effect, and it also gives us an animation where it's very basic and very simple, very good for beginners. You can use it for professionals as well, but it will give you a look of a average video editor. But when it comes to Doodly, Doodly actually has its own reputation when it comes to a whiteboard animation, and it's one of the first whiteboard animation software out there. So that is why it has that effect to it, where it creates very fun and very aesthetic videos for us that look really look like an animation. So a high quality and very professional animation video can be created with Doodly. If we compare the pricing, then we can see that Doodly is expensive than Videoscribe, and it is because of a reason, because with Doodly, again, you're getting some of the more features. There are also the desktop version of these platforms, and we also have the desktop app available that you can download. You can also download these applications and use them on your iPad to create high quality animations. So yeah, guys, you can see this is the difference between Videoscribe and Doodly, and now you will be able to select the platform that you feel like is better for your videos and for your business or educational channel. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.